Very good evening to all. Today we will solve some practice problems on Venn diagrams. Okay. This Venn diagrams is a part of the course of discrete mathematics and logic for the second BTech AML of SITRC Nashik. So now we will see a problem. A survey of 64 informed voters revealed the following information. 45 believe that Elvis is still alive. 49 believe that they have been abducted by space aliens. 42 believe both of these things. So we need to find out how many believe neither of these things and how many believe Elvis is still alive but don't believe that they have been adu- abducted by space aliens. So a Venn diagram is useful in such type of information to be organized. Okay, since the data refers to two categories. One category is the people who believe Elvis is still alive, and the second category is the people who believe that Elvis has been abducted by space aliens. So let us say that there are two sets which are representing these two categories. First category is Elvis is still alive, that can be represented by the set E. And second category, they have been abducted by space aliens, that is represented by set A. Okay, so the people who believe both of these will be represented by the intersection area of these two. And this is union. We need to take the universe of discourse that is consisting of all these things. Okay, so now we will see what is it. So 42 people will believe both of these things. That means the intersection area between E and A is 42 according to the given information. Now we are also told that 45 believe that Elvis is still alive. So already 42 people are believing that both statements, but 45 believe that Elvis is still alive. That means this total E set will be its value is 45. So already 42 is there in the form of a common sharing people, common people who are believing both of these two. That's why if we add 3 to this number, then that will become 45. So like this. Okay. Similarly, we are also told that 49 believe that they have been abducted by space aliens. So out of the 49, already 42 is here. So remaining 7 is not 7 is only believing this particular second category A. Okay, second set. So now we have to combine these three numbers so that the total number of people who are believing these either of these two will be given. Okay. So that is 42 plus 3, 45 plus 7, 54, 52. Sorry. Okay. So, but how many total number of people who are surveyed? 64 number. So from 64, we need to deduct 52 so that the remaining 12 members who neither believe this E first category nor believe the second case, but they are only just who don't believe anything. Okay, they are not interested. That means so that is the answer. Similarly, we will see this is the description what we have seen up to now. So we have organized the given information so that there is one number in each of the four regions of the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is consisting of four regions. One is E, second one is A, third one is E intersection A, fourth one is U minus E union A. Okay, these four regions we have seen. If a person believes neither of these things, then the person is not in the set E and it is not in the set A. The diagram shows that 12 people satisfy this description. How many believe Elvis is still alive but don't believe that they have been abducted by space aliens? The person who fits this description is simultaneously inside of circle E yet outside of circle A. The diagram shows us that there are three of these people. Okay. Next, we will see one more problem. A survey of faculty and graduate students at the University of Florida's Film School revealed the following information. 51 admire Mo and 49 admire Larry, 60 admire Curly, so 34 admire Mo and Larry, 32 admire Larry and Curly, 36 admire Mo and Curly. Okay, one admires none of the three stooges. Okay, 24 admire all three of the stooges. Okay, so now we have to solve for how many people were surveyed. So the total number is not given anywhere here. So we need to calculate how many admire Curly, but not Larry nor me, Mo. How many admire Larry or Curly? How many admire exactly one of the stooges? How many admire exactly two of the stooges? So this is the data we need to calculate. So here the three persons are there associated with the three. We need to take the three sets named M for Mo, L for Larry, and C for Curly. So we need to draw the three sets which are intersection with each other. So like this, M, L, C. Now, the given information has to be filled in this particular diagram. 51 admire Mo. Okay, and it is also given that last statement 24 admire all three of the stooges. So, what is the intersection area of all the three? This area should be filled with 24. Next, so next is 51. We have to take the people who admire to any two of M, L, or C. So 34 admire Mo and Larry. So the Mo and Larry intersection will be like this. This one has to be total of value 51. So out of 50, sorry, not 51, 34. So out of 34, 24 is here. So remaining is 8. That 8 should be filled here. Okay. Similarly, M and C, Mo and Curly. 36 admire Mo and Curly. So already 24 is here. So remaining is 36 minus 24, 12. The 12 is in intersection to M and C. Okay. Next is 24, 36 admire Mo and Curly. 32 admire Larry and Curly. So Larry and Curly, this one, 32. So similarly here 8 we fill it. So in this way we need to fill one by one like this. See these three steps, that is step 4, step 5, step 6 will be indicating these intersection areas we need to take from the given data. Next, we have to take each set at a time. So total number of people who admire M, that is Mo, is how many? 51 admire Mo. So out of 51, 10 is here, 24 is here, 12 is here. 10, 24, 12. So combine these two, 3. 10 plus 24, 34 plus 12, 36, 46. 46 has to be subtracted from 50, uh, 51. So 46 is to be subtracted from 51 means the difference is 5. That 5 we need to fill here. Similarly, 60 is admiring Curly. So the Curly is here. Total is 60. So we need to add these 3. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 24. So 44. So the 44 has to be subtracted from 60. So remaining is 16. So we need to fill like this. And it is also given that one admires none of the three stooges. So that means this one is separate outside. So now if we want to calculate the total number of people, we need to take all these figures individually and sum them. So totally the total is divided into 8 regions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and outside is 1, 8. So these 8 regions, how many numbers are there? We have to sum all the numbers. Okay, so the answer will be 83. Okay, so and the second part is how many admire Curly but not Larry nor Mo. That means we need to take only this one. This These 16 admire Curly, but they are not interested in Mo and Larry. Okay. Next, similarly, how many admire exactly one of the stooges? So exactly one means these three should be added. So 5 plus 7 plus 16. Cool. Okay. Next is how many admire exactly two of the stooges? Admire exactly two. That means between M and L, 10 is the one figure. Between M and C, 12 is one figure. And between L and C, 8 is another figure. We need to sum them. Okay. So in this way, if the given information is properly filled in the Venn diagrams, we can solve any type of problem that was of this form. Okay, so for further reading, you are advised to solve some of the problems like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.